Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Jeep Patriot and I will show you how to remove and replace the battery. This video will apply to Jeep Patriots made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. The battery on Jeep Patriot is located under the front hood, just down here. Now, to access the battery, first you have to remove this plastic piece on top of it. As it says here, remove for battery access. To do that, you just want to unlock these two black pins, this one here and this one here. And once you do that, you just pretty much want to pull this up and remove it. And now here you have full access to the battery. Now, next thing what you have to do, you have to remove the battery holder, which is down there. See? So you want to unscrew this bolt and remove the holder. And once you do that, then you can unscrew and disconnect the battery terminals. Okay, so first, to remove the holder, you will need a 13mm socket and a ratchet extension to be able to access it, right? Okay, I'm trying to work with one hand. Okay, so once you have this long bolt out and you have removed the battery holder, the battery will be completely loose, and the next thing to do is to disconnect the battery terminal. Now, very important thing, you always first want to disconnect the negative battery terminal and then the positive. And when you're installing in a new battery, you want to do it in reverse. Always first connect the positive and then the negative. To disconnect the battery terminals, you'll need a 10mm wrench key or a socket with a ratchet, doesn't really matter. Now, you don't want to remove these nuts all the way, just loosen them up enough so you can remove the terminals. It's very easy to do. And now, as you can see, this is completely loose and you can wiggle it off. Okay, now in some cases what might happen, and it actually happens quite often, if the battery wasn't removed for quite a long time, these terminals will kind of get stuck and then you will have to use let's say a bit of force to get them off. So what you want to do, if you have a flat screwdriver, you can try to pry it underneath. I don't have a flat screwdriver on me right now, but while you wiggle this terminal, you want to try and pry it underneath. If that still doesn't work, next thing to do, you can also get a small hammer and a flat screwdriver and just try tapping the screwdriver just between these openings here. That should loosen it up, and then slowly you'll be able to wiggle it off and lift it off the battery. And make sure once before you install the new battery, you want to use a bit of sandpaper or something similar, or a brush, just to clean these terminals, right? Once the negative is off, you want to do the same thing for the positive terminal. And once you remove the positive, then you can completely remove the battery. Okay, and this is pretty much everything. And I will repeat one more time. When you are removing the battery, first disconnect the negative, then the positive. When you're installing the new battery, first connect the positive, then the negative. That's important because you don't want to cause any kind of shorts and burn the fuse or something similar. When installing the new battery, just follow this video in reverse. Just put the battery in, connect the terminals, install the battery holder and this plastic piece, and that's pretty much it. It shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to do this. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.